Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving into a new cybercrime tool that's so powerful it is completely changing the security game for businesses everywhere. And honestly, it's pretty terrifying. Just think about that for a second. It might sound like a hypothetical, but it's not. It's the new reality we're all living in. A new kind of platform is taking all the technical skill out of cybercrime, making it accessible to, well, just about anyone. And that's why we can say we have officially entered a new era of cybercrime. The barrier to entry that used to exist, it's pretty much gone. The old rules just don't apply anymore. So, what's making all this possible? Well, let's meet the culprit. It's a platform that security researchers at Varonis have named SpamGPT. And believe me, it is living up to that name. Now let's be clear, this isn't some clunky, amateur tool cobbled together. SpamGPT is designed from the ground up to look and feel like legitimate marketing software. You know, the kind of thing you might use every day, like MailChimp or HubSpot. But instead of sending newsletters, its entire purpose is to help people launch and manage cyber attacks. I mean, just look at this. The platform automates nearly every single step of an attack. The bad guys get professional-looking templates, they can schedule emails to go out at the most vulnerable times, and they can track their campaign success with real-time analytics. It's unbelievable. This analogy from the research just hits the nail on the head. It's so accurate. SpamGPT packages all the complex, messy parts of a phishing attack into a simple, user-friendly tool. They've effectively turned cybercrime into a product you can just use. Okay, so how does a tool like this completely flip the script on the threat landscape? Because this isn't just a problem for huge corporations anymore. This is a threat to any business that has an email server. This right here is why SpamGPT is so incredibly dangerous. It supercharges three critical things: scale, quality, and speed. A single attacker can now hit thousands of inboxes at once. The AI crafts emails that are polished and believable, and the attacks can run constantly, all day, every day, without any human oversight. And this is where it gets really personal. The AI can actually scrape data from online profiles to customize its attacks. So, try to imagine an urgent email landing in your inbox. It looks like it's from your CFO. It uses the correct company logo, the tone of voice is perfect, and it's sent at a totally plausible time. That's exactly what this technology is designed to do. Now, after hearing all that, it's easy to feel like you're powerless, but you're not. The rise of these attacks just means we all have to be smarter, and there are clear, actionable steps that you can and absolutely should be taking right now. So here's the crucial point. Your defense has to be a mix of technology and, maybe most importantly, human awareness. You have to teach your team the pause and verify rule. If an email asks for something urgent, something strange, just pick up the phone. It is that simple. And then you combine that human firewall with things like AI-powered email filters and regular training drills. All of this brings us to our final takeaway. It's a stark, new reality that every single business owner, every employee, really, needs to understand and prepare for. This really says it all, because it's so easy to use now. It means these sophisticated, AI-powered, and highly convincing attacks are about to become incredibly common. The floodgates are officially open. So, ultimately, the question is no longer if these attacks are going to hit your company's inbox, it's about when. They are coming. The only question left is, will your team be prepared when they do?